started in India. I did my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Instrumentation. Then I decided to move to the US to continue my studies further. So I went to NJIT, and that's where I did my Masters in Industrial Engineering. So I went to grad school here. While I was in grad school, I was looking for jobs, full-time internship positions. And I came across this position at Dartronics through online job platforms. I applied and I was called over for an interview. When I came here, after my interview, I was given a snapshot of how the work culture is here. And that's when I learned everything here is hands-on, and everybody is working on solving everyday engineering problems. That's what fascinated me. I immediately took the job as an industrial engineer, and that's how my life here at Dartronics started. From day one, I treated this job as a full-time job. I would work on projects. I started out with very small projects, and then each project grew a little bit more complex, and I would work on solving them, of course, with my team. And from there, what really led to being an award-winning engineer is the fact that every challenge was very unique. The approach that I had towards those projects, and of course, I pulled my team together and got the best out of them. So during COVID, we worked on this one unique FDA project for a breath analyzer. I worked on the packaging design for that particular system because COVID was rapidly spreading. That system was heavily regulated, and we had to get things done on time. We also worked on implementing those kind of systems really that fast. We had to improve on our internal processes when it comes for engineering documentation and FDA validation related paperwork documents. And that's what really positioned Dartronics as a trusted partner in this particular space. Also working with cross-functional teams. We have teams in other countries that we had to pull together so we can have a 24-hour delivery in an engineering standpoint. Okay, so we worked on this very unique project where a customer was looking for a palletizing system and also inkjet printers to print on their boxes. It was still an FDA project that required medical validation. So I found out that the floor space constraints was severe. There was hardly any space to put a palletizer in there of any kind. So everybody almost said it's impossible to solve. So again, we came back, we saw this floor space that was required. Instead of having extremely long conveyors where the boxes would come in right after a case taping machine, where we had to put two printers. To add to the challenge, we had to print on two adjacent sides of a box. Had the robot simply pick up the box, run it twice by one print head, and then continue to place it on a pallet. We solved that challenge with just one collaborative robot, so we didn't need heavy caging of any kind around the robot. The robot could work in sync with the operators. While executing the project, the customer asked us for another feature to inspect tape. So we added that feature in the system as well to inspect the tape presence absence. It was clear tape, so we implemented that in the system. So in case the robot saw a box with no tape on it, it wouldn't go down to palletize it. We solved it. We did all the documents that were required for that system, and the customer is very happy with the system running in the field right now. Automation is evolving and things are moving at a very fast pace. There's a lot of technology available to us right now. What we're trying to do is to implement that technology into our projects so we can deliver faster and more reliable systems to our customers. So they can, beat everyday challenges and get their production going and grow. As the engineering project manager, it excites me every single day to see what technology is available out there and how we can bring that into our projects now.